Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to contact BDO Customer Service. Need to contact BDO Customer Service? Here's how you can easily reach them. First, open your browser and search for BDO Customer Service. Click the first result that says Contact Us, which will take you to BDO's official support page. From there, you see their hotline number for any issues or complaints. If you're within Metro Manila, simply call the number listed. For those outside Philippines, scroll down to find international hotlines and access codes for your country. You can also reach your customer contact center to the phone numbers provided or send an email to callcenter@bdo.com.ph for general inquiries. If you need to report scams or phishings, send your message to report@bdo.com.ph. Always make sure you're contacting BDO through their official website to avoid fraud. And that's how you can contact BDO customer service quickly and safely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.